I have been talking a lot about the UK, so today's video is not about UK, but it's about another beautiful European country where people love cycling. There are a lot of canals and rivers. So any guesses? You would have guessed from the thumbnail, right? Yes, I'm talking about the Netherlands, which is famous for its capital city Amsterdam, windmills and tulips. The Netherlands is also known for being the world's second largest exporters of food and beer. The top 10 largest companies in Netherlands are Royal Dutch Shell, ING, Unilever, Ahold, Delhaize, Aegon, Rabobank, Philips, Gastera, SHV and Heineken. Also, big Indian companies got branches here like TCS, Cognizant, Sun Pharma, ChargeBee and Infosys Technology to name a few. Hello guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to my channel, Your Knowledge Buddy. So my today's agenda is to talk about Netherlands Startup Personal Work Permit. Some of my friends are already well settled in Netherlands and I got information from them that a lot of international candidates are getting this work permit these days. As you guys know, I do a lot of interview series on my channel, so don't be surprised if I interview them very soon so that they can guide you with more personal tips to secure a visa sponsorship job. So today I'll cover everything about this visa, like what is this new visa, who are startup companies, eligibility criteria, other requirements, cost of applying, how to search for startup companies and how to apply. So let's begin without any further delay. Agenda number 1. What is this new visa? So name of this visa is a startup personal visa, which simply means you guys can apply for a job in Netherlands, but only with Netherlands startup company who are authorized to give you sponsorship. So yes, job offer and visa sponsorship is a must to gain this visa. So just a little background about this visa, as mentioned on their government website, is that Netherlands Startup Personal Visa started on 1st of June 2021 and will run till 1st of June 2025, which is a pilot program for 4 years. So if you get job and sponsorship, you will be given visa for maximum period of now 3 years. There is no communication if this visa will be extended or not, but after assessing the gap of jobs versus labor shortage, they will make the final decision. Also, I just googled to find out how many companies are startup companies in Netherlands, and I was surprised that there are almost 4,000 startup companies in Netherlands that can sponsor your visa if you have the right skill. Now, let's see how Netherlands had defined its startup companies. So as per their government website, they have said startup companies should have an innovative startup company with scalable activities. This means that these companies can grow along with the demand for the product or service. So these companies can be in any field like sales, marketing, supply chain, retail, finance or accounting, to name a few. Now, again, it's not easy to get this license. You have to prove that the startup is innovative in the following situation, like number 1, the product or service is new to the Netherlands. Number 2, the startup uses new technology in its production, distribution and marketing. Number 3, the startup has a new manner of working and organizing themselves. Number 4, a maximum of 15 employees should work at the startup. Number 5, the startup can apply for a residence permit, which is work permit for 5 employees only. So if I compare with UK scale-up visa, rules in Netherlands are tougher. So I will still encourage you guys to apply for both the countries and keep on looking at their careers page of those companies. So I have separate video on my channel for UK scale-up visa with full list of companies who are hiring. Just a little reminder to you guys, UK scale-up visa is starting on 22nd August 2022, where you need to secure a job offer of minimum £33,000 annually. Also, unlike Netherlands, scale-up visa can lead to settlement in the UK. Now, let's talk about Netherlands Startup Personal Visa and benefits for the employee. So number 1, so you guys need to be an expert in a special field that the startup needs in this startup stage. So this can be in any field, say HR, sales, marketing, supply chain, IT or any field. Number 2, you definitely need job offer and employment contract with your company. Number 3, you must meet the minimum income requirement, which is £2,543. Now, number 4, also you'll be given at least 1% share in the company. How to find Netherlands startup companies? So Netherlands government had not published list of companies who are authorized to give you this visa. But just Google Netherlands startup companies and you can see huge list of companies. Few companies where you can start looking at Silverflow, Dayrise, Orderly, or Chest, Convies, STRM, and Detail Technologies. Also job sites like LinkedIn, AngelList, Indeed, Glassdoor should help you in your research. Again, Comparing it with UK Scalar visa, this startup personal visa is very similar to UK Scalar visa, as both visas were created to help the startup company so that they can prosper and grow by hiring bright and the right talent to grow their business. Requirements to apply for this visa. Number one, I have not seen any language proficiency requirements. So of course, IELTS is not needed. Also, Netherlands is a Dutch speaking country and not English. And hence, you will not see IELTS requirement as per my knowledge. Number two, no other qualification or certification is listed on the government website, as this will vary from job to job. And Netherlands government has not defined it. It will be specified by your employer who is hiring you, which will be listed in the job description. Number three, no minimum work experience is mentioned. However, even for UK visa, they don't mention that as a legal requirement. However, always experienced candidates gets hired. So even here, the more experience you have, better are your chances to get sponsorship from the startup companies. But again, I don't want to discourage any one of you from applying for such jobs. So just be little prepared that the chances may be little less as compared to the more experienced people. But definitely freshers can also apply. Now, eligibility criteria. You just need a job offer and sponsorship from a startup company with a minimum salary of 2,543 euros. Now, application cost for this visa. So it's 345 euro, which is mostly paid by your employer, but it may vary from company to company. The most common question which I get asked is, who needs to apply for this visa? So either your employer or you yourself, but you need to have a job offer and sponsorship from your employer who are startup companies before you can apply your own visa. How long does it take? So decision on this visa takes around 90 days as per information from the government website. How to apply for this visa? So application form can be downloaded from this official website. Links are provided below. All the process is online, and hence you need to download the application form to apply for a work visa. Either your company will do it or you may have to do it yourself. So before I wrap this video, I think this is a good opportunity for you guys to look for a job in Netherlands. However, from my understanding, you cannot settle on this visa as this visa is valid only for 4 years. But the good news is that you can switch to Netherlands work permit. Also, I have read that dependents are allowed with you, which is a good news. So lots of positive points to apply for this visa. If I was you, I would have taken this opportunity to apply and find a job for myself. And once you are in Netherlands, many doors will open to you, not only in Netherlands, but also in part of Europe. So let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.